Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix lockdown protocol, any kind of crashing, freezing or the lagging problems. I will show you guys the very effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. And guys, here you will see all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are about the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol. And on the top you will see the application that are consuming the most of your RAM or CPU and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are on the top and that are useless and just click on the end task. Then go to the startups on the top and guys here just disable all the applications you are seeing here because these applications start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. So when these applications are running and your game is also running, so your game crash obviously. Now you just need to make sure you don't disable these important apps, which is the HD Audio Background Manager or the Intel Graphic Card command. And the next solution is go to the Windows set, tap here the privacy settings and open it. Now here on the left hand side, just scroll down and you'll see the background apps. Just click on that. And guys, here just make sure that this option is off on your PC. If this is on, then just turn it off because these are also the application that are consuming the most of your RAM and causing your game crash. Now guys, the next setting is the system configuration. So go to the Windows side, type it and open it. Now here you'll see the boot on the top. Click on that. Click on the advanced options. Then just select here the maximum number of processor you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 8, any value selected, then just click on the OK. This will increase your game performance. So just click on the OK. Now you will see the services on the top. Then just click on that. Then just check this box or the hide all merchant services. Then just disable all of these because these are the useless services and causing your game crash. As you can see, I already disabled these services because I don't need it. So you also don't need it. Then just click on the apply. Then you must need to restore your PC to apply the changes. Then launch the game and resetting fix your any kind of crashing problem with this game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video and bye bye and take care.